Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about expanding your Airbnb business. This is one of my favorite topics because a lot of people starting out, that's their first question is how do I expand it? So eventually you're going to have to get up your ratings and you're going to have to somehow figure out the algorithm for Airbnb. Hi Luke. So we actually suggest doing a lot of network marketing. There's a lot of different software you can use as well. You can hire out a marketing company. Would I do that in the beginning? Probably not, because it's an expense. But there's a lot of groups out there. Like you can find a Facebook group that's like local to your community. You can go on Nextdoor, Neighbor app. Of course, you're going to be on Airbnb or Vrbo. We'll talk about the differences between those another time, but word of mouth as well. There's so many different ways that you can get your Airbnb out there. So once you get your first couple of reservations, it kind of, okay, yeah, you do?
Yeah,
It snowballs. It's like a snowball effect because, once you hire the right cleaning company and, everything is looking good and people are happy and you're getting your 5 stars, your algorithm is going to be better and eventually you're going to be a super host. So it's really all about the network marketing in the beginning. So just finding some platforms where you can advertise. Like I said, I suggest local Facebook groups. Nextdoor Neighbor app is a good one. But you guys will do great.